Hi! While it certainly is a challenge to find kitchen appliances that are worthy of your hard-earned money, it isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. Let this channel be that source. In preparing this video countdown of the top models, the team researched literally dozens of tools, ranking each one based on its performance, its affordability, and the reliability of its manufacturer, and also read real-life consumers' opinions about each product. Let's see which are the best models in this year.
In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to remove a typical garbage disposal and install a Waste King Easy Mount disposal. The first step is prep. Waste King garbage disposals operate on 110 to 120 volt, 60 Hz, which is standard in most homes. If you have any questions, check with a qualified electrician. Before getting started, unplug your old garbage disposal and dishwasher if you have one. If your disposal is hardwired, turn off the power at the electrical panel and disconnect any hardwired connections. Make sure you have the right tools for the job. You'll need a hammer, flathead screwdriver, dowel or steel punch, plumber's putty, and safety glasses. If you have a dishwasher and the dishwasher outlet hose is not 7/8 of an inch in diameter, you'll need to buy a dishwasher connector kit. Step 2. Remove your old garbage disposal. Disconnect the drain line and any other connections. If you have a dishwasher, remove the dishwasher drain hose. Most garbage disposals are removed by turning the lower mounting ring to your right. Be sure to hold on to the disposal as you turn so it doesn't fall. You can also insert a screwdriver into a tab to help turn the mounting ring. Remove the mounting assembly by loosening the mounting screws and popping off the snap ring. Remove the sink flange and your old garbage disposal is gone. Now you can install your Waste King Easy Mount disposal. Step 3. Install the new mounting assembly. Remove the mounting assembly from the garbage disposal by turning the mount ring to your right, raising the mounting assembly and removing it. Push down the mount ring and remove the cushion mount. unthread the support ring and remove the fiber gasket. The rubber gasket can be used in place of plumber's putty with stainless steel sinks. Plumber's putty or sealant should be used with any other sink. Clean the area around the drain opening. Position the sink flange with the rubber gasket in the center of the drain. Slide the fiber gasket onto the sink flange and thread on the support ring until it's tight. Place the mount ring over the sink flange with tabs pointing up and align the inside groove on the cushion mount to the sink flange. Step 4. Attach the discharge elbow. If you have a dishwasher, use a wooden dowel or steel punch to remove the plug in the dishwasher inlet. Do not use a screwdriver or any other sharp instrument. Make sure the rubber gasket is on the discharge elbow. Slide the metal bracket over the elbow and insert it into the discharge outlet. Tighten the 2 screws evenly. Step 5. Connect the garbage disposal to the mounting assembly. Guide the mount tabs into the mounting ring slots and turn the mounting ring to your right. Align the discharge elbow with the drain piping and connect them. Then insert a screwdriver into a mounting ring ear to make sure it's in the fully locked position. If there's a dishwasher, connect the dishwasher drain hose with a clamp. A 7/8 inch inside diameter hose will fit directly to the garbage disposal. If the hose size is different, use a dishwasher connector kit. Make sure all connections are secure, then run water to check for leaks. Plug in the power cord, turn the power back on, and you're done. If you have any questions about Waste King or any of our products, please call Waste King Consumer Services.
Many people think a disposer works like a blender, with spinning blades chopping and breaking down the waste. In reality, disposers work in a different way, and there are no blades involved. Instead, impellers, or lugs mounted on a spinning plate, use centrifugal force to continuously force food waste particles against a stationary grind ring. The grind ring breaks down the food waste into very fine particles, virtually liquefying them. After they're ground, the running water flushes the particles through the grind ring and out of the disposer and into your wastewater pipe. From there, it flows to a wastewater treatment plant or your septic system.